Hey everyone. We are at Chassahowitzka River Campground this weekend, and looks like a nice little campground. We'll walk you through.
You getting me in the video?
Yes. We just rode our bikes through, so
Can I put this down now?
you can put that down.
Yes.
Whoa. So we're up in Homosassa area near Weeki Wachee, Florida. So enjoy our little walkthrough. This is the boat launch. Kayaks, paddle boards, they do rent them. There's a little bathhouse. Can't wait to go in the river tomorrow. Rentals. Little boardwalk. Camp store.
All right, here we are on the Chaz. I can't pronounce the real word. Chassahowitzka. And paddleboarding upstream, just left the campground. It is really beautiful here. So we're gonna go hit Seven Sisters Spring. Maybe take a little dip. But it's gorgeous.
There's a little manatee here. It comes up. Yep, here he comes. Hey, dude. Hi.
Alright, going down through the hole. Alright, wish you luck.
Joel just did some cool dives down into Seven Sisters. And now we're on the river going down to another spring. Hopefully we can find it.
Really nice.
But this place is gorgeous. The weather is perfect today. Not a lot of people. It's an awesome day. Found a little place for lunch. Joel's just tying off the paddle boards. Look at this cute little area. You could almost camp here. I said you could almost camp here.
Yeah, I can almost camp here.
Uh-huh. Get a little tent out here. Time to enjoy some food. Hey guys, we have stopped. We found a little bit of land on the shoreline.
We're hoping it's not like a gator slide. So
Yes.
we're looking around looking for alligators.
Yeah, so we stopped here so we could get some lunch.
Eating the biggest grapes known to man.
They are about as big as your
They're
thumb.
kind of like apples.
As apples. So yeah, so it's been a really nice day out here getting some sandwiches, some grapes. Then we're gonna head down to the end of this.
Baird Creek.
I don't know.
Yeah, leading to the crack.
To the crack.
To the crack. We're going to the crack. It's a beautiful day. It's a mix of sun and some clouds, and it's just beautiful here.
So
finish our lunch, and maybe if you're lucky and we're lucky, you'll see video of the crack.
Oh! All right,
Okay.
see ya.
We're going to continue upstream and hopefully get to the crack. Hold on, Amy. Show us how you do it. Look at that balance, ladies and gentlemen. And with that, okay, we're moving on. So this is super cool. We're further up the Baird River, Baird Canal, call it what you will. It's so amazing. So I've lived in Florida my entire life, and I've never been here. And we'll be coming back for sure. All right, guys, so we made it to the crack. It got really shallow, about the last 100 yards. It made us sit on the front of our paddle boards to get our skegs out of the water and make it up here. But it's a beautiful area. We have it to ourselves.
Normally, there's people here just a bit ago, and they normally said there's like 30 people here, but
Yep.
I guess because the weekend is a little cooler.
Yeah, so we got lucky.
We're doing it.
It's all ours, and it's crack. You can see this big dark area right in front of me. That's the actual crack itself, leading down to a spring. And just a great place to come and hang out and swim around a little bit and have some fun. All right, I'm going for it.
So tonight's meal, besides the mac and cheese, which is done now, we put it aside. Tonight's meal, we are trying steak and cheese sandwiches. Okay, peppers and onion are ready. Push that off to the side. For the steak, we're actually using, we're going to use roast beef. And this should cook pretty quick. And we're going to stick the buns on here too. Okay, we took a new approach. Cheese wasn't quite melting, so we're bringing it all back down to the heat. Make one big gooey,
delicious mess.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, here, put a bun. There you go. Look at that.
That looks pretty delicious.
That looks pretty good to me.